Today I'm testing this camera, which is Sony Alpha A7IV, and I'm here in the yard because I wanna test it and see how quality is with a kit lens, which I got it with kit lens, which is 28 to 70 f 3.5 to 5.6. and now I'm on manual mode, or not, yes, on the lowest aperture 3.5 because I want to have background bokeh, and I will click on my tracking. Hope it will track on my eyes. And I wanna also see if I can do remote shooting because I paired it yesterday, and I wanna see if it will be working here in the yard. So here is my camera on the tripod, Joby tripod, and I will tell you my outfit of the day. First thing I see is that I would prefer more wide angle lens. That gives me more you know what, that gives more area to film. 28 or 24 is a little tight because this is 24, no, 28, I thought it's 24. So yeah, this is my outfit. So I'm wearing hat from dollar store. Then I'm wearing this coat from Marmot, winter coat. Marmot, what's the name of it? Montreaux something. Montreal or something. So it's nice and warm. I have here, it has nice Sherpa lining, like cups. Then this coat has zipper, two-way zipper. Inside, see, it's half to the waist Sherpa lined. It has pocket. What else? Two pockets inside, outside, with zipper. Here. It's nice here, nice and snug. Has nice hood, like so. I think it's better than the North Face coat. I can tell it's a little better designed than the North Face coat. North Face Triple C, that's what I mean. Because the North Face here I zip, but then the hood when I put up, it's not fully on, not as deep. Here you see it's deep one, and the other one not, and then I cannot even close the other one. This one has closures, something like this. And this one, see, can be closed inside or together, I think. But together would be too tight, so it will go inside here. Yeah. And I'm wearing Ugg boots. Here are my Ugg boots. Here we are. They are nice. In color chest. Yes. Here we are. Okay, I did some pictures now. I wanna do some video. So pictures were fine. It was working, but now I wanna do video. Let's see. Snowed. So yeah, now I again do some video. Here are my Ugg boots. As you can see, very nice. They are tall ones. Here even when I have it on tripod. Joby one. And when I wear tripod could be, but I don't like vlogging on long tripods in public, that's what I mean. It could be better is just wider angle lens, I think. So wider angle lens, and here in the forest looks nice. And this coat is really warm. It's even warmer than the North Face, so I recommend it. You can get it maybe on some sale. Marmot Montreaus longer version, minus to the knee. Today not too cold though, but it really keeps me warm on here in the yard. And long Ugg boots that are protected with some water repellent. See, they are also good to snow not stick to them. So yeah, nice. Let's see what time we have, because I have to go to work today. Wow, 1:32. Not much time left. So this is my camera test. And did you see, guys? Cute. Icicles or ice pieces. Albums. I'm filming on manual mode, and sometimes you know that F aperture changing and shutter speed, so I have to adjust. But maybe I should try different mode too, like automatic, I don't know. But today I'm testing manual mode. And this is on backlit. Aperture 3.5 and shutter speed, let's change to 1/100. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy such videos. Give thumbs up, subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye. Okay, time to go home.